Decoding the phrase, card shark. Hello, language explorers. Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of English idioms. Our focus for today? The intriguing phrase, card shark. Let's unravel its meaning together. Card. A card, in the context of the phrase, refers to the playing cards used in various games like poker, blackjack, or solitaire. It's a piece of thick, rectangular paper or thin plastic, often with numbers and symbols. Shark. While a shark is typically known as a large fish that lives in the ocean, in idiomatic expressions, the term shark can mean someone who is very skilled or sneaky in a particular activity. When we combine the meanings of the individual words, a card shark refers to someone who is exceptionally skilled at card games. This person may have superior strategies or techniques that give them an edge in the game. However, it's worth noting that sometimes the term can have a slightly negative connotation. It may imply that the person is using deceptive techniques or cunning to win, not just skill. To grasp the phrase even better, let's see it in action. 1. You should be careful when playing cards with Jake. I've heard he's a real card shark. 2. After practicing for years, Maria has become a card shark in poker. Remember, like all idioms, the phrase is not to be taken literally. So, a card shark isn't a fish playing cards. And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, card shark. It's always fun to uncover the stories behind idioms, isn't it? We hope this video deepened your understanding and appreciation of the English language. Until next time, keep exploring and happy learning.